Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. See, this is 12th standard max, state board, chapter 11, exercise 11.4, mathematical induction, expectation. What does mathematical expectation mean? Mathematical expectation is nothing but what? Mean. Mean equal to expectation of x, mean equal to expectation of x, or you can mention as denoted by mu, mean or expectation of x or mu. The expected value or mean or mathematical expectation of x is denoted by e of x or mu. If e of x is expectation of x equal to sigma x f of x, sigma x f of x, if if f of x is discrete, if x is discrete, if x is discrete function, if x is a discrete function, and integral minus infinity to plus infinity x f of x into dx, if x is continuous, if x is a continuous function. If it is a discrete function, you can use it as a summation of x f of x, and if it is a continuous function, you can use it as what? Integral minus infinity to plus infinity x f of x, x f of x into dx equal to dx x f of x into dx. What is variance of x? Variance of x equal to variance of x, variance of x equal to e of x square, e of x square minus e of x the whole square, e of x square minus e of x the whole square, or otherwise we will write variance of x equal to, variance of x equal to e of x minus e of x, x minus e of x the whole square, or e of x minus mu the whole square, x minus mu the whole square. The properties of expectation of ax plus b equal to a into expectation of x plus b, a into expectation of x plus b. The same way variance of ax plus b, variance of ax plus b equal to, variance of ax plus b equal to a square into variance of x, a square into variance of x. Now we move on to the first sum. For the random variable x with the given probability mass function as below, find the mean and variance. F of x is given, so first we should draw the tabular column probability mass function. Probability mass function. What is x? X can takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then f of x. F of x, if it is 0, what is the value? 1 by 5. If it is 1, what is the value? 1 by 5. 2 means you can take the value 1 by 10. 3 means 1 by 5. Then 4x can takes the value 1 by 5. And 5x can takes the value 1 by 10. Now we should find out the mean and variance. Mean and variance. Mean equal to sigma x f of x, mean equal to sigma x f of x, sigma x f of x. Sigma is nothing but summation of series 0 into 1 by 5 plus 1 into 1 by 5 plus 2 into, so you will write 0 into 1 by 5 plus 1 into 1 by 5, 1 into 1 by 5 plus 2 into 1 by 10, 2 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 5, 3 into 1 by 5 plus 4 into 1 by 5 4 into 1 by 5 plus 5 into 1 by 10 plus 5 into 1 by 10. So what is the answer? 0 plus 1 by 5. 1 by 5 plus 2 by 10 plus 3 by 5 plus 4 by 5 plus 5 by 10. 4 by 5 plus 5 by 10. 5 by 10. See, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8 by 5. It gives 8 by 5, 8 by 5 plus 2 plus 5 is 7 by 10. 2 plus 5 is 7 by 10. So you can take it as 10 as the LCM into 2 into 2. 16 plus 7. 16 plus 7 equal to 23 by 10. So the value is what? 2.3. The value is mean equal to expectation of x equal to 2.3. Then variance first you should find out what E of x square. E of x square equal to sigma x square into f of x. So you multiply the x square value 0, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square and 5 square. So 0 square into 1 by 5. 0 square into 1 by 5 plus 1 square into 1 by 5 plus 2 square into 1 by 10, 2 square into 1 by 10 plus 3 square into 1 by 5, 3 square into 1 by 5 plus 4 square into 1 by 5 plus 5 square into 1 by 10. 5 square into 1 by 10. So what is the value? 0 plus 1 by 5 plus 4 by 10. 4 by 10 plus 9 by 5 plus 16 by 5 plus 25 by 10. 25 by 10. 16 by 5 plus 25 by 10. So the value equal to 9 plus 1, 10, 10, 26, 26, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 16, so 26 by 5, 26 by 5 plus 26 by 5 plus 29 by 10, 29 by 10. So this implies 10, you can take it as the LCM, 20, 20 52, 29 plus 52. So into 2 into 2, so 52. So it gives 81 by 10 or otherwise 8.1. 81 by 10 or 8.1. So variance of x equal to E of x square minus E of x the whole square, expectation of x the whole square. So E of x square value is 8.1 minus expectation of x the whole square is what? 2.3 the whole square. This implies 8.1 into 8.1 minus 23, 5.29. When we subtract, what is the value? 2.89, 2.8, 2.81, 2.81. So mean equal to 2.3 and variance of x equal to what? 2.81. Okay, now we move on to the second subdivision. F of x equal to 4 minus x. See, x can takes the value 1, 2, 3. In this sum, x values are given as it is. So x can takes the value 0. X can takes the value 1, 2 and 3. What is x? X equal to 1, 2 and 3. F of x equal to, see the four column, 4 minus 1 by 6. 4 minus 1 by 6 equal to what? 3 by 6. So you will write it as what here? 3 by 6. And x can takes the value 2. So 4 minus 2 by 6. So 2 by 6. So x can takes the value 4 minus 2 by 6 equal to x can takes the value 2 by 6. 2 by 6, and x can takes the value 4 minus 3 by 6. 6 equal to what? 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 6. Now we should find out mean. Mean equal to expectation of x equal to sigma x f of x. Sigma x f of x equal to 1 into 3 by 6 plus 2 into 2 by 6 plus 3 into 1 by 6. 3 into 1 by 6. So what is the value? 3 by 6 plus 4 by 6 plus 3 by 6. 3 by 6 plus 4 by 6 plus 3 by 6. So what is the value of mean? Mean equal to 10 by 6. Mean equal to 10 by 6. Mean equal to 10 by 6. So you cancel the value 5 by 3. You cancel by 5 2 table 5 by 3 1.667. So mean equal to expectation of x equal to 1.67. Next, e of x square. E of x square equal to, you square the term, you square and get the value. See here, 1 square, 1 square into 1 square into 3 by 6 plus 2 square into 2 square into 2 square into 2 by 6, 2 by 6 plus 3 square into 1 by 6. So the value is what? 3 by 6. 4 twos are 8. 8 by 6. 3 by 6 plus 8 by 6 plus 3 square is 9 by 6. So 6 common term, 3 plus 3 11, 11 20 by 6. 20 by 6. See, 20 by 6 is nothing but what? See here, variance of x. Variance of x equal to e of x square minus e of x the whole square. E of x square minus e of x the whole square. So 20 by 6 minus 5 by 3 the whole square. 5 by 3 the whole square, or 10 by 6 the 5 by 3 the whole square. So 20 by 6, 20 by 6 minus 25 by 9, minus 25 by 9. So common LCM is 18. 18. 60 minus 60 minus 50. So it gives 10 by 18. 10 by 18 is nothing but what? 0.56. So variance of x equal to 0.56 and mean of x equal to 1.67. Now we move on to the third sum. See the previous sum, the values are given. X can takes the value 1 2 3, but in this sum it lies in the interval, so the values are differ. Values are differ. Okay, see, previously we have seen x can takes the particular value, x can takes the specific value, but here the intervals are given, open intervals are given, so we can use it as the density function. Expectation of x equal to integral minus infinity to plus infinity x f of x dx, x f of x dx, x f of x into dx. So what is the interval they have given? 1 to 2. The interval is 1 to 2. 1 to 2, x into 2 into 2 into x minus 1, 2 into x minus 1, 2 into x into x minus 1 into dx. Sorry, 2 into 2 into x into x minus 1. See, x minus 1, f of x is what? X minus 1 into dx. This is x. F of x is x minus 1 into dx. 2 is constant. You can take it out. 1 to 2. X square minus x into dx. So it gives 2 into x square is x cube by 3 minus x square by 2, x square by 2. The limit is 1 to 2. The limit is 1 to 2. 2 into upper limit. What is the upper limit? 2 cube by 3 minus 2 square by 2, upper limit, minus lower limit. Lower limit is what? 1 cube by 3 minus 1 square by 2, minus 1 square by 2, upper limit minus lower limit. So the values are 2 into 8 by 3, 8 by 3 minus 4 by 2, 8 by 3 minus 4 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. So 2 into 8 by 3 minus 4 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. So the values is 2 into 8 minus 1, 7 by 3. 7 by 3 minus 4 plus 1. Minus 4 plus 1 is what? Minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. So it gives 2 into 2 into, you can take it as the LCM as 6. So into 2 into 2, 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9. So 2 into 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9, 3 times, 2 times. So 2, what is the value? 14 minus 9 is what? 5 by 3. 5 by 3. So expectation of x, e of x equal to 5 by 3. Next, e of x square. E of x square equal to integral 1 to 2 x square f of x into dx. X square f of x into dx. Integral 1 to 2 x square into f of x is nothing but what? 2 into x minus 1 into dx. So 2 is constant. You can take it out. Limit 1 to 2 x square into x minus 1 into dx. X square into x minus 1 into dx. 2 into integral 1 to 2 x square. X square is what? X cube minus x square into dx. X cube minus x square into dx. 2 into x cube means x power 4 by 4 minus x square means x cube by 3. 1 to 2 is the limit. So 2 into upper limit. Upper limit is what? 2 power 4 by 4 minus 2 cube by 3, upper limit, minus lower limit. Lower limit is 1 by 4, that is 1 power 4 by 4 minus 1 cube by 3, lower limit. So it gives 2 into, it gives 2 into 16 by 4. 2 into 16 by 4 minus 8 by 3. 16 by 4 minus 8 by 3 minus of 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. 2 into 16 by 4 minus 8 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So it gives 2 into 15 by 4. So 16 minus 1, you club these two values. 16 because the denominator is same. 16 minus 1, 15 by 4 minus 7 by 3 minus 7 by 3. So 2 into 2 into, you can take it as 12 as the LCM. You can take it as 12 as the LCM. So 45 minus 28. 45 minus 28. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 six are. So you can do the calculation in the for column and check the values. So this is E of x square. Variance of x equal to E of x square minus E of x the whole square, that is expectation of x the whole square. E of x square minus E of x the whole square. 17 by 6 minus 5 by 3 the whole square. So variance of x equal to 17 by 6 minus 25 by 9. 17 by 6 minus 25 by 9. So the LCM is 18. LCM is 18. 51 minus 50. So the answer is variance of x equal to 1 by 18. Variance of x equal to 1 by 18. Now we move on to the fourth subdivision. F of x equal to 1 by 2 e power minus x by 2 for x greater than 0 and 0 otherwise. See here also the same thing, x greater than 0 and 0 otherwise. Here also the same thing. See, x greater than 0, x can takes the value 0. So expectation of x, E of x equal to minus infinity to plus infinity. F of x dx, here 0 otherwise is given, so 0 to infinity. F of x is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 x, f of x dx, 1 by 2 x, 1 by 2 x e power minus x by 2 into dx. 1 by 2 is constant, 0 to infinity, x e power minus x by 2 into dx, x power 1. We can use it as a gamma integral. What is gamma integral? Gamma integral, we can use the formula gamma integral. What is gamma integral? Integral 0 to infinity x power n e power minus ax into dx equal to n factorial by a power n plus 1. So here, see here, this is power 1. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into n factorial is nothing but 1 factorial by a value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 n plus 1. 1 by 2 n plus 1. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 1 by 2 the whole square. 1 by 2 the whole square. You cancel the value. So the value is what? Reciprocal. So the value is 1 by 1 by 2. It gives 2. Expectation of x equal to 2. E of x equal to mean equal to E of x equal to 2. Now we move on to E of x square. Integral 0 to infinity x square f of x dx. F of x is 1 by 2 e power minus x by 2 into dx. So 1 by 2 you can take it out. Integral 0 to infinity x square e power minus x by 2 into dx. We can use the same formula. What is the formula? And gamma integral formula, 1 by 2 into n factorial by a power n factorial by a power n plus 1. N plus 1 is nothing but what? 2 plus 1. So it gives 1 by 2 into 2 by 1 by 2 the whole cube. 1 by 2 the whole cube. You cancel the value. 1 by 2 the whole square is what? 4. So 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is nothing but what? 8. 2 fours are 8. So variance of x equal to e of x square minus e of x square minus e of x the whole square. E of x square minus e of x the whole square. E of x square minus e of x the whole square. So it gives 8 minus e of x the whole square is nothing but what? 2 square. So 8 minus 4. So the value is 4. Variance of x equal to 4 and mean equal to 2. See the second sum. Two balls are drawn in succession without replacement. See, without replacement from an urn containing 4 red balls and 3 black balls. X is possibly outcome red balls. Find the probability, mass function and mean of X. So number of red balls is what? Red balls equal to number of red balls. Number of red balls equal to 3. Number of red balls equal to 4. Then number of black balls. Number of black balls. Number of black balls equal to 3. Number of black balls equal to 3. Total equal to 7. Number of black balls equal to 3. Total equal to 7. So let x be the random variable. You can choose the number of red balls. Let x be the random variable. Let x be the random variable. You can denote the number of random variables. Random variables. Let x be the random variables. Denote the number of red balls. Denote the number of red balls. Denote the number of red balls. So two balls are taken at random. So you can choose only the red ball. So x can takes the random variable 0, 1 and 2. So if the two balls, you are not getting two ball as a red ball, you can take it as two balls as a black ball. So x equal to 0. P of x equal to 0 means what? No red ball. No red ball. So you have chosen two balls as a black ball only. No red balls. No red balls means you have chosen only the black ball. So out of 4 balls, you are not chosen the red ball. So out of 3 black balls, you have chosen the 2 ball as a black ball and a total 7C2. So 4C not equal to 1. NC not equal to 1. So 3C2, 3 into 2 by 1 into 2 by 7C2. 7C2, 7 into 6 by 1 into 2. So 2 get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So what is the value? 1 into 3 by 3 by 21. 3 by 21 you cancel. The value is what? 1 by 7. Next, P of x equal to 1. P of x equal to 1 means you have chosen only one red ball. One red ball. So one red ball means what is the meaning? Out of P of x equal to 1, out of 4 red balls, you can choose one ball, and 3 black ball, you can choose one. Totally 7C2. So 4C1 is 4 into 3 by 7 into 6 by 1 into 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are 3 threes are. So what is the value we are getting? 4 by 7. The value is 4 by 7. Then P of x equal to 2. You have chosen 2 red balls. P of x equal to 2. P of 2 red balls. You have chosen 2 red balls. Out of 4 balls, you have chosen 2 red balls. So 4C2 into, there is no black ball, so C naught. So total 7, you have chosen 2 balls. You have taken 2 balls. So 4 into 3 by 1 into 2 into 3, C naught value is 1 by 7 into 6. 7 into 6 by 1 into 2. 7 into 6 by 1 into 2. 1 into 2, 1 into 2 get cancelled. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So what is the value? 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So the value is what? 2 by 7. The value is 2 by 7. Then you will write probability mass function. Probability mass function. The question they're asking, they're given us what? They're asking about probability mass function. Probability mass function. X can takes the value what? 0, 1, 2. Probability mass function. X can takes the value 0, 1 and 2. If P of x equal to x or f of x, P of x equal to x equal to 1 by 7, 4 by 7 and 2 by 7. 1 by 7, 1 by 7, 4 by 7 and 2 by 7. Then you can find out the value of mean also. Mean equal to expectation of x. Mean equal to sigma x into f of x is nothing but what? This is f of x. This is the value of f of x. So 0 into 1 by 7 plus 1 into 4 by 7 plus 2 into 2 by 7. So it gives 0 plus 4 by 7 plus 4 by 7. So the value is what? 8 by 7. So what is the value of mean? The mean equal to 8 by 7. I hope you enjoyed, children. See, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.